Turn me up. We outside, man. I'm from the era of the pay phones, selling drugs, then the day gone. He acting brazy, then his face gone. In the hood, I put the set on.
Don't do that, bro.
1,000 grams with my neck on. I get the bag, I get my check on.
Real jewelry.
Dogs of work is never stepped on. On dogs of work is never stepped on. I run this shit on some black ownership. Life is a gamble, and we stacking poker chips. Just grab the new Benz, nigga, no loan and shit. I own my own house, I'm talking black owner shit. Man, fuck shit up, you niggas know how I'm giving it up. I went from bricks to flipping these trucks, legal and giving it up. Run down, see how I'm giving it up. They hear my name and these niggas be shook. I get the clapping, no applause, homie. Shot hitting, that's what you call Kobe. Time ticking, that's what you call rolling. Zah hitting with the rap rollie. I got goals on what you call goalie. Small circle, you got 100 phonies. Even the man can't fucking hold me. Even the man can't fucking hold me. Whipping the brick, come through, then I'm moving it quick. Try me if I look like a lick. I be shooting this shit, cause I gotta make it home to my kid. I've been shot and stabbed in the ribs. God want me to live, so you know I gotta handle my biz. Cause where I'm from, it's a death for a bid.
Real shit.
If I fall off, I'm always gonna bounce back. And if you tell me, you'll never get your clout back. Niggas out here trolling and they selling they soul. Everything that glitter and gold. Thought you was real, but you told. Niggas out here motherfucking breaking the code, yeah. Niggas out here trolling and they selling they soul. Everything that glitter and gold. Thought you was real, but you told. Niggas out here motherfucking breaking the code, yeah.
Seriously, man, you keep hurting my eye.